Hello and welcome to the Big Ideas Art Studio. My name is Mrs. Mack, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3D people for your 3D artwork. So grab some aluminum foil, some tape, and some scissors, and let's get started. Okay, so I have some aluminum foil, some masking tape, some scissors, and a drawing tool. So I already have my aluminum foil cut into a rectangular shape, so the size depends on the size of your artwork. So you're gonna have to do some experimenting here and some testing and see what size works best for you. But this is the size that I'm going to need for my artwork. So again, it's a rectangle, so that means it's longer on two sides and shorter on the other two sides. So what I'll do from there is I'm going to make one cut. So I have my rectangle vertical, so it's going up and down. I'm going to make one cut down here at the bottom, and I'll draw some lines to help show you. Okay, so one cut here and two cuts up here. Okay. It's a little bit hard to see because of the light, but I'll show you when I cut. So one cut at the bottom and two cuts at the top. Okay, so that down here at the bottom, I have the start of two legs, right? Two sections here, and at the top I have three sections, okay, which will be the start of some arms and a head. So from here I'm going to pinch the waist like this. And then I will kind of manipulate this top part into a head shape. So much for making art with me today. I hope you had as much fun as I did, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future art lessons. I would also love to see your 3D people. So have a grown-up take a photo of your art and upload it to Instagram. Make sure to tag me at the Big Ideas Art Studio. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.